So I got sent over a basketball goal. We got to do a little review on it. We're going to open it up, put it together, and see what we think.
Oh, good.
I've never put one of these together. Have you?
I have. Okay.
So I guess I'm pretty lucky you're helping me put this together.
Good. Good enough. Yeah. The hoop's in here loose.
Oh. We got a loose hoop. Oh, there's a post over here. Man, that's a lot of nuts and bolts.
Yep. We need poles, Y, X, and W, and this is W. Step inside of it. W, X, and Y, and I think Y is going to be right here.
This all is labeled pretty good. Goes to the side.
The holes go toward me.
So this way.
Like that. Okay. And then we're going to take this.
Okay, we got to put a bolt on the bottom of this.
Yes. U1 and U3 go together.
Oh, so we're going to have to do all these at the same time.
Yeah.
We have to go through all 4 of them. It's not going to really line up.
It will. Once we get it. I vote we do the bottoms first.
I'll bring it to you.
I did that.
Okay, what I need, P or Q?
P goes on the top, Q goes on the bottom. No, it goes on W. Okay, so there's a nut. A washer. You need to put a washer in between there.
Okay.
Okay, for easy operation, please only pass M screws through P and B first, but don't tighten them before passing another M screw through Q and B.
Q and B?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, and these? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're upside down. So this needs to go this way. Walk it that way. Grab that. Okay, I want to point something out. After a couple of days of trying to figure this out, finally figured it out thanks to a review somebody had written talking about the poor instructions this thing comes with. This Q bar right here is different, has a different measurement between this bolt and this bolt versus this bolt and this bolt. The instructions do not say which way this is supposed to go. So if your backboard is leaning like the hole here in my hand is, you might want to check that. The long end is between here and the goal. The short end is between here and the back. And that goal is too short. I can tell that right there. We will raise it. See what that is. It's right at 10 foot right there. That's where it should be. Anyway, if you are looking for a basketball goal set up, you may check this one out. If you would like to order one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can go to the Amazon product page and order one for yourself. If you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate that. Like I said, overall, it's a nice basketball goal. Directions need some work on them, but hopefully this video will help you get it put together. Everything was pretty straightforward other than that. It is adjustable on your height. You saw that a while ago. Put you some sand or water in the base down here will keep it from falling over. Then you'll be in good shape. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.